Canon has created yet another innovative product, the Canovision A2HI, a camcorder which uses a new technique for making images. The A2HI has Hi8 image quality and digital image processing, making it a versatile, high-performance camcorder. The dual-action grip design, with the battery compartment located in the lower part of the body, increases stability and handling comfort. The easy-to-view liquid crystal display has a camera status display that keeps you informed of the many camera functions, including the audio level. And with digital image processing, many special effects can be added to your recordings. The arrival of the A2HI has changed video from a recording medium to a medium of creative expression. The newly released A10 has an innovative new design which offers extraordinary handling comfort and perfect balance. Although compact, the A10 has many features, including 8x zoom lens and hi-fi stereo sound. Features such as 25-zone evaluated auto white balance and intelligent auto exposure produce rich full-color reproduction and fine detail, guaranteeing high-quality images. By engaging the plus-minus button, the auto exposure level control produces high-key and low-key images. The A10 is easy to carry and to transport, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Canon has succeeded in creating an 8mm video camera which is easy to use even for first-time users. The compact E90 has a powerful 10x zoom lens which records even distant subjects clearly. Direct-mount 6-watt video light lets you make well-exposed recordings of open-air evening settings and indoor scenes. These 3 new Canon 8mm video camcorders have several easy-to-use features in common. In addition to the wide macro feature, they have a built-in, easy-to-use AF macro feature for precise close-ups, as close as 60 centimeters. The high-speed shutter captures clear, blur-free images of fast-moving subjects. A wireless controller, self-timer and interval timer recording are features provided for your shooting convenience. The built-in character generator lets you add titles, names or notes. Use it with the auto date time feature for a complete record-keeping system. For creative videos, choose one of these 3 new Canon 8mm models. For the professional look, the A2HI. For a camcorder that's light and compact, the A10 or the easy-to-use E90. State-of-the-art camcorders, new from Canon.